Practice din.
Ha?
Practice din. Dandan.
I don't want to be up here. Just a little closer.
Oh.
Got it, guys.
Wana? Kaya ba pa? Sige, wala pa yan. Okay, dandan yan oh. Sabay ba? Sabay. Huwag mo sa doon na gasolina mo. Timingan mo ba?
Pagkain niya.
Sige! Sobra na yan. Sobra na yung gasolina mo.
Check. Let's put it in here.
Sobra.
How pretty. What are these things?
Yeah, kumot, kumot.
Those are both bottles from the
Sabay.
I need to return them to
First day niya po.
Mommy. We can do that with you.
Hindi pa yung magaling si Tito yun.
Well, sure.